Hey, what's up everybody? This is Easy Speeds and Feeds. Today we'll be showing you how to do the Flowline toolpath, and we're going to use it with a surface rough parallel toolpath. So let's get started. So in our last video we showed surface rough parallel, which can rough out surfaces. So we have this angle and we just roughed it out with surface rough parallel and we left 30 thou. And that's what it looks like. And here's our actual part. We're going to backplot surface rough parallel and play it. And this is what the toolpath can do. It's a fast way of roughing out surfaces and controlling your depths of cut. But it's not very good at finishing surfaces. So we'll go into parameters. We left 30 thou on drive, which is that surface we selected. So to finish this part up, when you go down to Flowline, click that, and we'll click on that surface, hit end selection, click on Flowline, next, click on cut direction. Right now, it's running parallel with the part we need. Yeah, there we go. Perpendicular with the surface. Okay. So if you go in there and click cut direction, you basically just change direction. So we'll use this tool, and we'll go to easyspeedsandfeeds.com to find some speeds and feeds. So tool 1. Okay, we're at the website. We'll type in our info. We're on aluminum. We're pretending this part's aluminum. So 500 thou. We're going to go 800 surface feet because this tool hangs out kind of far. 3 teeth. And we'll go 2 thou. Inch per tooth. Because again, this is a longer tool. We're just going to take it a little bit easy on it. So we'll type in our info. Click the check. Actually, we'll go to finish flowline parameters. Change the distance to 3 thou. Now we'll click the check. So it's going to zigzag machine across that surface, going up 3 thou at a time. First, when we go back into parameters and change our planes, our tool is on the wrong plane. So we go down to planes. We click the arrow. So the tool plane and the construction plane all match. Regen the toolpath. Backplot it. There we go. See, it's zigzagging a machine across that surface, moving up 3 thou at a time. I'm only going 3 thou because this tool only has a 20 thou radius on it. So you can't go much more than that. If you had a ball end mill, you could probably go maybe 5 to 10 thou. So there we go. Looks like it made the toolpath. So now we're going to select all the operations and click verify. And we're going to verify that our toolpaths are doing what we want. So this verify is going to take a while because there's a lot of stock to remove, so feel free to fast forward a couple of minutes, maybe 2 or 3, and then we'll pick up there. Okay, so right now it's running the surface rough parallel toolpath, and it's leaving 30 thou on that surface. This toolpath is really good for removing material off the surface before you finish it, especially for something steep and deep, a steep angle, or a surface down in a pocket. So this will run for about 30 more seconds, and then Flowline will start. So this is Flowline. As you can see, it's zigzagging across that surface, and it's moving up 3 thou per cut. So it's going to climb cut, move up 3 thou, conventional cut, move up 3 thou, back and forth, and it's going to leave a really nice finish. You can also see we're only taking out 30 thou. So that's what your flow line will do to the part, and a very good way to finish it. And those two together are like a really good 1-2 punch to take down difficult angles and difficult surfaces. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe for more like it, and we'll see you later. Thanks.